Hey hustlers, dreaming of turning your idea into a thriving business, but worried about the cost? Don't sweat it. Today we're revealing the top 7 free tools that'll launch your business for $0. Let's skip the financial hurdle and jump right into entrepreneurial action. I'm Faisal and I've spent years exploring the best resources to help aspiring entrepreneurs kickstart their journey without the financial stress. Whether you're just sketching ideas on a napkin or ready to launch, these tools are game changers. This video is for anyone ready to launch their business on a budget. No more excuses, it's time to turn those dreams into reality with smart, cost-effective strategies. First things first, let's talk about establishing your online presence. A professional-looking website is crucial for showcasing your brand and offerings. But how do you do that without spending a fortune? Easy. Platforms like Wix and WordPress.com offer free versions that are perfect for getting started. With drag-and-drop features and customizable templates, you can create a sleek, user-friendly site in no time. Think of your website as your digital storefront. It's where potential customers get their first impression of your business. So, make it count. Even on a free plan, focus on clarity and ease of navigation. Remember, a simple, clean website often looks more professional than a cluttered, complex one. Use high-quality images and keep your brand message clear and accessible. Engage visitors with compelling content about your products or services, and ensure your contact information is easy to find. This step is all about building a foundation for your business online, making it easier for customers to discover and connect with you. With your website up and running, it's time to get organized. Project management can make or break your business launch, and that's where Trello comes in. This tool is a lifesaver for keeping track of tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration. The best part? Trello offers a solid free version that's perfect for startups. Create boards for different aspects of your project, from marketing strategies to product development. Each board can contain lists and cards that detail every task you need to complete. This visual approach helps you stay on top of everything. Plus, you can share these boards with your team, making remote collaboration effortless. Use Trello to set clear goals, assign responsibilities, and track progress. As your business grows, staying organized will help you avoid costly mistakes and missed opportunities. Remember, a well-structured project leads to a smoother launch and a better chance of success. Now let's dive into marketing, specifically social media marketing. In today's digital age, having a strong social media presence is non-negotiable. Tools like Buffer and Hootsuite are here to help, and yes, they have great free plans. These tools allow you to schedule posts, engage with followers, and analyze your social media performance. Start by choosing the right platforms for your brand, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Use Buffer or Hootsuite to plan your posts in advance, ensuring a consistent presence online. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Remember, social media isn't just about selling, it's about building relationships and trust with your audience. Share valuable content, tips, and insights that align with your brand values. This approach not only enhances your visibility, but also establishes your expertise in your field. One of the most effective ways to directly communicate with your customers is through email marketing. MailChimp offers a robust free plan that lets you start building an email list without any initial investment. Why is an email list important? Well, it allows you to send targeted communications, promotions, and updates directly to people who are interested in your business. Start by integrating a sign-up form on your website. Offer something valuable in exchange for email addresses, like a free ebook or a discount code. Use MailChimp to design engaging newsletters and promotional emails that reflect your brand's personality. Segment your audience to ensure that the right messages reach the right people. For instance, you might send a special welcome email to new subscribers and different content to those who have been with you for a while. Effective email marketing builds relationships and drives sales, so take full advantage of this powerful tool. Visual content is key to capturing attention, and Canva makes graphic design accessible to everyone. Whether you need logos, social media graphics, or presentations, Canva's free version is incredibly user-friendly. Start by exploring the vast library of templates. There's something for every need. Customize your designs to align with your brand colors and fonts, making your content recognizable at a glance. Canva also offers free photos and icons, helping you create professional-looking graphics without any design background. Use these visuals on your website, in your social media posts, and in your email marketing campaigns. Consistent, appealing visuals can significantly enhance your brand's appeal and professionalism. Remember, in the digital world, attractive design can be just as important as great content. With Canva, you're equipped to create both. Content is king, and mastering content creation and SEO is crucial for drawing traffic to your website organically. Start by identifying topics that are relevant to your audience and that you're passionate about. Create blog posts, videos, and other content that adds value. Educate, entertain, or inspire your audience. Use SEO strategies to enhance your visibility on search engines. This includes using the right keywords, creating quality content regularly, and optimizing your website's speed and mobile responsiveness. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can help you find the right keywords for free. Remember, the goal is to make it easy for your audience to find you when they're searching for information related to your products or services. Consistent, valuable content not only helps with SEO, but also establishes your credibility and authority in your niche. You've got the tools, now let's talk strategy. Using these free resources effectively can dramatically accelerate your business growth. Combine them for maximum impact. For example, integrate your social media feeds on your website, or use your email marketing to promote new blog posts. Analyze the data from your tools to understand what's working and what's not. This can help you make informed decisions about where to invest your time and resources as your business grows. Don't forget to keep learning and adapting. The digital landscape is always changing. Attend free webinars, read articles, and stay connected with other entrepreneurs in online communities. The more you know, the better you can leverage these tools to build a successful business. There you have it, 7 free tools to launch your business without breaking the bank. What are you waiting for? If you're serious about turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality, these tools are your starting blocks. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful business tips. Stay tuned for upcoming content on advanced marketing strategies, growing your business, and making the most out of these free tools. Remember, every big journey begins with small, smart steps. Start taking those steps today and watch your business flourish. Let's hustle, innovate, and succeed together.